Now we have to stick to our
Painting or
basic
drawing, ma'am?
routine
Stitching.
every day.
Yes.
Painting, drawing, or
Yes.
stitching.
Very good. These all habits, good habits. Okay. Now art integrated.
Productive as well as refreshment will be there for mind, ma'am. What I feel.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank
Shastri, sir. Anybody else? Creativity. Okay. You can create your own things, stamp collection, coin collection, numismatic, philately, all these will come out here. Even anybody else?
Now we have to go for our daily routine, ma'am. We have to stick to our daily routine. 8 hours sleep, 8 hours study, and 8 hour timing spent with the family.
Correct, sir. It should be a routine for our life. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
So that will also give lot of boosting to us. Next, some videos are off. Let us see each other. No, please interact. Come forward. Yoga. What about yoga? I thought many will speak about yoga. I can speak about 3 mudras at least.
Adhika teacher,
Yoga.
can I share something? It will be different. What I'll share for you.
Definitely, ma'am. Welcome.
Because what I feel is what these hobbies doing. These are all very common things we do. But we can also, many people watch movies or go to that only to forget, to get stress removing also.
Really?
It's only to watch movies. They see some funny movies like stand-up comedy, something they enjoy, so that for some time that recreation will be there for them.
Yes.
From the, so that they'll bounce back to the, or from the artificial or fantasy world also. Okay, no problem. But it will have some kind of that what that creates energy for you.
That's
So
what.
I have seen many people watch movies. I used to wonder. Whenever I used to wonder why these people watch so many movies, means they to get away from that stress on them.
That is also
So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Lata ma'am, it's exactly right. Even I experienced my cousin brother just before going to the board examination, 2 days before, he used to go for the movie to get away from the stress.
Yes.
That
And we know many students side by
he's
side
used to say that
want song, want, but they will sit and study. Many will tell us, ma'am, without movie, without song.
For many of our students also, I have seen many of the students what they say, they'll keep music, they'll hear some comedy, something, and they'll do their work.
Yes.
And they feel, very they can do. That I used to wonder why, but I think this sometimes we should also get into this. Then I think that experience will be different. I feel this is a one way of removing your managing your stress also from your routine life. All the time you can go away.
Welcome, welcome, Lata ma'am. It's absolutely correct. Okay, we are different attitude, having different personality. Our stress, how to release stress, we know ourselves. Otherwise, we have to get trained in that. Okay, so here when we get a platform, when we check whatever routine work we were doing, if we share with others, we tomorrow may switch over to that also. That will give another stress release for us, because we may have routine, we need a change always. Change is the rule of nature. Now let us see for 1 minute what eagle does when storm comes. giving you 1 minute time. What is your problem or what you want to, which is your storm? Please note it. Don't share, please note it. So next time you can tell me or you can share with anybody, this storm I could achieve, I could overcome. I managed, stress management I learned, I did. Because many resource persons really inspired you a lot, guided you a lot, which you accept, it is up to you. But you note down today, you have to overcome, please. Like eagle, now we are in the place of eagle, okay? I can read your mind, okay? I can read your mind. That's what
I have to share some. No, I want to tell one small share with you anecdote. Nature, you are telling, no?
Yeah.
I had one neighbor when I used to be in the Vengalao Nagar colony. My son Ramna was very small, 3 years or 5 years he was. He used to go and play in my neighbor's house. That lady was teacher. You know,
Yes.
there were so many trees were there, rose trees, so many different kind of flowering trees were there. Every day she used to speak to that trees. How she used to tell, you know, तोर को पानी नहीं डाले आज, हाँ, भूख लग रहा, मैं डालती ठहरो. ये लोग पागल है, नहीं दिए तेरे को खाना, चंदा नहीं दिए खाना. She used to speak. My Ramna used to come, my son used to come and tell me, Amma, see that lady, no, she's mad, she's speaking to flowers. Then, you know, I was too young to think a psychological problem, even I thought. But as the time rolled on, I felt that all her stress, all her problems, everything, she used to be in the garden for 2 hours. And she used to share everything. And she used to speak
Correct.
to
That's
all
what
the flowers, you know,
religion-
every flower she used to spend time.
That's what religious.
I really wonder. That is where, you know, they are harmless. She spent her time, all her things, she removed her stress from that, and she spoke to them. She gave love to the trees, and the trees, no, I never knew that flowers also were waved to her. That all I didn't observe, but when I feel, you know, maybe they were also speaking to her. Maybe,
Even
I
to
don't know.
animals, people will speak, you know. I know one granny in Chennai where we were living. She has one beautiful cow. As she is a widow, nobody else stays with her, and she enjoys that. She likes to live alone. And what she does, you know, every day morning as her pet, as her own child, she goes, she talks, and you will not believe that cow is really lucky it was, okay? Really lucky it was, how neatly, hygienically, like a human being that lived. So my aunt was saying, Yadika, you visit one time, you will feel something positive energy there. Whenever we go, we used to spend some time with her, very attached to that, like a member. We used to think that she was alone all the time. No, she was with this cow. So one example, we know dog, cat, etc. But with the cow also I had seen. So just I am sharing with you. And you will not believe how neatly it leaves dung, etc. You know, when once it is dropped, it never goes to that side. That's what we never see. That much neatly, that also we used to tell, Purva Janma Punyam, something we tell, no, earlier birth you might have done some good deeds. That way, these both had very close knit together.
Yes, right.
Yes.
Exactly
Yes.
correct. It is so important, you know. There are so many ways to remove your worries and stress. So many ways.
Thank you so much, Lada ma'am.
Thank you, Radhika teacher.
Now let us come to the very, very important part, which is our very much connected to that factors of effective teaching. Okay, what we have to do now, what we did, I told you, no, good base we gave. Slowly our walls were there. Now we are going to give a proper shape to that. Okay, how our profession, now our house is our profession. So how we make the factors very effective in teaching. First one, you must have proper knowledge about your subject and you should have enthusiasm to enrich it. Okay, once you got your degree, it is not enough. In the field of education, every day, every second, there are changes. So you update, please. Okay, you take each and every day some time how you keep for your exercise, other activities, you keep for updating the knowledge with lot of enthusiasm and interest. Okay, first one. Next one, responsibility of learning. You have the responsibility because you are in one profession. Okay, you have the responsibility for learning, that you keep in the mind. Third one, classroom activities that encourage learning. In classroom, each lesson based, you sit with parallel teachers, you discuss and finalize. This is the lesson, because your idea and other idea, when it will mix, you can make wonders. Really wonders you can make. So classroom activities related to each lesson instead of talk and chalk method, please see that classroom activities will make important role in teaching and more effective learning you can do. That way you sit and discuss. Next one, assessment activities that encourage learning through experiences. Okay, sometimes we know when we sit together for board exam correction, what we do, 90 above papers in front of HE's table we present, we submit. Okay, that HE, head of the examiner, will take it and check. Many papers will be with 99. HE will feel that, especially our ma'am, Vasanta ma'am, always she does that. She calls us and she personally tells that, you see, child did this much of hard work. Why you cut 1 mark? You make 0.5, you round it. Okay. Same way, if we award more also, she guides us. That's what called proper guidance needed there. Okay. Assessment activities that encourage learning through experience, and really experienced person can guide you in this field. Okay, that's what when we do interaction in the class as well as in the workshop, we do this part. Okay, this was done many times. Okay, so board paper, we erase all marks, copies will be done. That gives lot of guidance in the correction. Assessment is very, very important. At the same time, who are in the borderline, you just close your eyes, you give. That right you have. You 1 year you are teaching the child. Child is with you. Don't think that child purposefully made that problem, this problem. I told him to learn. I did not, because this is our satisfaction to give reason for that. Please come out of that. When you assess in a very gentle way. Very sincerely you assess where it is needed, 0.5, etc. you give. There is nobody to question you also. You give, you have the right there. Okay, it's very important, because small children life. Okay, the earlier workshops we learned the role of parents. Many parents are sitting with them, guiding them, teaching them apart from our teaching. So you please do sincere, proper assessment of activities as well as exam. Okay. Now, please, here you have to talk. Please interact. Who did not speak, please come.
Here
Otherwise,
I want to share, ma'am.
we are able to form. Now, nothing is possible, okay, because of pandemic, COVID time. Please.
Here I want to share, ma'am.
Yeah.
This first point needs knowledge and enthusiasm. Actually, when we are teaching offline, that time I did not face this, but online teaching, when I was giving definition of Abraham Lincoln about democracy, it's a government by the people, of the people, for the people, many children asked me, Madam, who was Abraham Lincoln? Then I told him about 16th president of USA and how he worked for the emancipation of slavery. But the life story of Abraham Lincoln, I read it, and again I gave them guidance that how with such a poor background family, Abraham Lincoln reached to the height of president. So what you said needs knowledge, means not only the subject knowledge, but now apart from that, which can inspire the children, which can motivate the children to come up in their life also. So that way I felt very, very interesting that we should
enrich our knowledge to express our ideas to children. So like that, many children were very much happy to know about Abraham Lincoln in detail.
Of course. Abraham Lincoln was not having book. One day he borrowed one book from his landowner.
yes.
Very small
Library
book he was having. But what happened in the heavy rain, that got wet, that got spoiled. But honor was very cruel to him. He asked him, how will you repay? He made that honor, made Lincoln to work in the field to pay for the book. And he was very happy. Lincoln was very happy that that book he could make on because of rain. That is the positive attitude Abraham Lincoln had. Many times he contested, he failed, but he was sure in his sixth sense that one day I will become. And he was the simplest person. He did not allow anybody to work for him. His own shoes he used to polish. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Sugandha, ma'am, so much.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
The second one, the responsibility for learning. Being a teacher, always a learner, no, madam. So we have to learn every second. At the same time, the current events also. Being a social science teachers, it is our duty to learn the current events, and we have to inform the children. That is also one of the duty of ours. No? That's
Yes,
I want to tell.
sir. Correct, absolutely correct, sir.
Yes.
Anybody else?
We have to feel it is our responsibility that we have to feel that.
Yeah.
And while collecting the while giving the information also, why it is happening, and what is the difference between the old information and the new information also. Sometimes we have to go in case of, suppose the old information, the planets, 9 planets, they are changed into 8 planets. All this information while we are giving, why the planet was removed. So all this information we have to give, and we have to collect this information with our own responsibility, I think. This is my opinion, I think.
Correct, sir. Now, anybody else?
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I am
ma'am.
Bhagyalakshmi, madam, Kunagram branch.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, classroom activities that encourage to learning, no, ma'am.
Yeah.
So my previous school, I did one activity in that. At the time of elections are going on, that time I conducted election system, whatever it is, the system is exactly present in my class, madam. The time of school elections are also going on. So we are taking responsibility because of the conduction of election, how we have to do the conduction of election. Exactly, we have to prove in that my class, school, madam. That is the school activity, madam.
Very good. When you do the activity, you see that you have 6th class section 5. Ensure that all the 5 section students, because students are innocent, no. You have 40,
complete
but
school, madam, participating of
do it.
Complete school, madam. At the time,
Yeah,
complete school, we have to give dividing to that section wise. One by one, we are sending to the children, and they are giving voting, and they knowing about that how to conduction of election, madam. This is the activity I done in my previous school.
For selection of head boy and head girl also we do now in the same way.
Yes.
Very nice. Mock elections. Now, effective feedback also needed. That establishes, that makes a concrete learning process in the classroom. Okay, there you can focus more. Effective feedback. If the child is wrong, you tell it is wrong. She is wrong. He is wrong. Why he is wrong? You give clarification there. Okay. If you made a mistake also, you see, I thought in this way. Now I went deep into the subject. I am correcting it. So both the ways, from our side as well as their side, feedback, effective feedback got very great role in the classroom process, especially in the school life, because college, they may not have that much attachment. They may not be knowing even name. Okay. One faculty will come and teach and go. Another faculty will correct. Another faculty will test, like that. That close knitting together of relationship will not take place. Next point is effective interaction between the teacher and students, creating an environment that respects, encourages, and stimulates learning through experience. Okay, so you can encourage such situation. Interaction is very much needed. Just teach and don't go away. Upload the notes. No. Keep 20, out of 40 minutes, 20 minutes teaching you keep. 5 minutes interaction you keep. Then any doubts they have, you clear it. So you plan your work in such a way that sufficient interaction takes place. It should not be one-way traffic. It should be interactive session. Okay. Every class, your methodology, when you write in the teacher's diary, you make one day discussion, next day interaction. Okay, discussion is different, interaction is different. So you give that methodology, you stress on that. One day in one class you did interaction, next class you make some other activity. So ensure that interaction must take place after each topic. Your teaching will take place 20 to 25 minutes. Remaining time you have plan. So you please see that good interaction is taking place. You may wish the child, you may talk about some achievement. And another important thing, we have portfolios. Okay. So in that under academic year, almost end we have to assess. That is for 5 marks. Okay. So in that, in the portfolio related to social science, any achievement is there also, you have to appreciate and judge. So when they make portfolio for each subject, ask them in this subject field what you achieved. That can make 0.5 or 1 mark extra there. So you can give 5. Okay. Simply you don't give, see that the child does in portfolio. Okay. That is one of the activities for 8th class. This time it is introduced. Please stick to that.
One minute, I want to share, madam. When I was teaching 7th class, in that the first president of India is mentioned, democracy and government. So what I did just to create an environment, before I planned and I collected all the pictures of ex-prime ministers and ex-presidents of India. And really the children all enjoyed and they were guessing, because they have they don't know many of the names. But when I showed the picture, the last I gave them the answer. First, they only guessed Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad or the other ex-prime minister and presidents. It was a really nice, and they got information also and the name of the ex-prime ministers and presidents. Then I went to the teaching part. So in that way, I motivated the children.
Some workshops give us some music or song, something anecdote like that. I do remember. You can go through that and collect. If anybody is experienced some assembly speaking or an auditorium, I think how we can relate, how can ring these prime ministers and presidents also. Some steps they were guided. Next workshop we see, look into that.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Sugandha ma'am. So you please see and ensure that effective interaction will take place while teaching. Teacher and student should have good rapport. Create an environment that they respect you, they love your subject, they study well, they score well, and their learning for throughout the life will take place. That is very much needed. Don't think that 10th class they close, they are not within our hands, they do whatever they want. No, you tell them any hardships comes, you contact me. You be a role model there, anytime approachable like that. They may not come to you, but you give that guarantee, that support you, moral support you please create through your teaching. Now, any anecdote here, what you gave, you can share. This is a platform sharing. You please share. Who did not speak, please come and interact. Because the point is about interaction. Make your videos on, please, and please interact. You did not come because in the class we ensure that everybody will speak. The workshop is done in the school, we ensure that everybody will speak. Here I am missing that, please. Anybody else who did not speak at all, make your video on, everybody. Please see that because we are almost in the end of the session. All of you make your videos on. Who did not speak, please interact.
May I say something, madam?
Yes.
Good afternoon, madam. May I say something?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Madam, want to add one point here, madam. Whatever you teach with confidence, madam, as if you experienced it, as if you have seen it, then that will have more effect on children.
Yes, sir. Confidence.
They will believe it, they experience it. You should have confidence. With the confidence, you have to enter into the class, you have to teach, to make them experience.
Yeah, confidence is very, very important point here to tell. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Anybody else?
This is Lakshmi here.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever we teach to the students, apart from the textbook, extended learning is very important, which I am doing in every PPT with proper videos and proper like points, valid points. I'm just teaching them. They are also enjoying it. So extended learning in each text lesson, each lesson is very important.
Very, very
That
important.
I wanted to, yes.
Very crucial.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is an important step. Okay, now let us check that checklist. Please ensure this point. Okay, these points. Start each class with a clear objective. You must have a clear objective when you go to the class before teaching. You tell that is called learning outcome. Second point to remember, engage students with questioning strategies. You give them chance for questioning you, because now they will come with prepared lessons. Now technology advancement is there. The lesson what you teach through Neverskip or whichever it is, you are telling them. So definitely half of the class or 1/3 of the class will be prepared for that too. So you encourage them, okay? Give a chance for questioning. Next one, consolidate the lesson at the end of the period. What you have to do? Board one corner, you keep a place for recalling. Okay, that is a must. Okay, okay. Board, are you able to see my board?